Welcome to the beer review with us.
With us. And me.
And I. And him.
Says the cat.
Today, we are trying the Night Train Express.
Woo woo.
Served very cold. Citrus wine, natural flavors, and alcohol. 17.5% by volume. Contains sulfites.
Delicious.
Straight up.
Now, I don't know nothing about this except that old people drink it, and apparently it's been called a bum wine. So
This was AKA Jay's breakfast.
that's why he's not here right now. He's here in spirit.
His spirit is in the bottle.
I've had a bunch of people tell
So
me
that's what sulfites are.
to be careful with this stuff. So don't be going crazy drinking this, partying like a rock. Damn.
I smell it when you pour it.
Yo,
This is stuff you get grandma when she keeps running her mouth too much.
oh, that's the stuff. You
Is
bring,
this cologne or?
I don't know. You bring that to the party. It's knocking somebody out. Somebody gonna be Project Xing with that.
Ooh.
Damn, it's a cologne and a drink.
And this
It does smell like old man cologne.
is a wine.
It's high karate to drink.
And if you don't want to drink it, you can wear it as Stetson.
It looks expensive.
Change the bottle. It could be Chaps.
Use an aftershave.
Old English.
Taking the midnight train to Georgia.
I hope this ain't the train they took there. 'Cause by the smell, they got there fast.
Well,
Okay. Like I said, it smells like high karate.
cheers.
The review style.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
I've never tasted a malt liquor wine before.
Yo.
That's exactly what it is.
What in the hell? Sam Hill. I bet you if you finish this whole bottle, you would see that.
You done.
It'd be right there.
It tastes like wine mixed with like bad vodka.
You drink the rest of this bottle, get Midnight Train, you're going to think you on a soul train.
This is the still reserve of wines.
It's like made out of lighter fluid and vinegar,
Yeah.
I'm already buzzed.
malted shoe leather,
All right, one more.
Riddling chips.
And the magic shave.
Yeah. Oh. No. What about my unborn children?
What about our born children?
Oh, no.
Cut that train service off.
Yeah.
You would have to be already annihilated in order to like drink a lot of that. You can't start off with that.
Or someone that dared you to do something stupid because I wouldn't do it.
Like put nitrate on top of that meat.
This is the reason why Amtrak went on strike.
I don't know, man. Like maybe if you serve it really, really cold, I don't know, but it has a malt liquor aftertaste to it. It's like kind of like still reserve the wine. St. Ives the wine, like
Yeah, it's a bum wine.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, this would keep bums away from
It will get you there, but it's probably gonna put you in a really bad place.
Yeah, if you finish a bottle of that, you definitely gonna feel something.
My ears are burning.
That's the stuff that daddy issues are made of.
I hear that.
That's the stuff that dreams were
Or
supposed
broken over.
This is the stuff that dreams were supposed to be made of.
This is what destroys dream catchers. Lets nightmares in fast.
No, that's what you do.
I'm sweating over here, yo.
You get a pint of this, you get a fifth of
They
this.
should call it the Devil's Pee.
Yeah, the devil's runs.
If you're trying to get twisted, you know what? I'll give it a 10 on getting you somewhere you ain't trying to be or should be. But as far as what it tastes like, man, you lucky you getting a 2.
I don't know.
No, scratch that. We going another goose egg on this one. Oh, that stuff is.
I had to agree. 0.
Get a 6-pack of Dreamweaver and a pint of this.
Someone going home with you.
It's gonna be the man in the mirror. I give it a
I give it Zippo.
You don't like it 0?
Oh, it's disgusting. Exactly.
On the bright side, this might disinfect your bathroom, clean toilets.
It's gonna rock your
And
head.
you also could wear it on a night out, so it's 3 purposes at this point.
Hey,
it just doesn't taste that good.
Run out of starter fluid.
Point, yeah.
You got less.
Gas is expensive. You could buy that.
Got less than a quarter tank.
I might get you another 60 miles.
Yeah.
It's also good.
Constipated?
And it says here, it's also good as a bum repellent. So if you got bums hanging around your house, just sprinkle a little bit.
Please, you're going to attract bums with that.
You could probably scare them. Well, they probably know better. You hold this up like garlic to a vampire. Stay back.
Okay, so you rated it 0?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, I did too.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it like a 2.
Of course.
Yeah.
I gave it a 2. That's why I gave it a 0.
Well, like I said,
Deuce.
like I said, you drink a bottle of that, it's gonna smash you a little bit, but
A little
it's
bit.
wild.
There you have it, folks. If you're going to get smashed off some disgusting bum wine, take the Night Train Express.
Take the night train to Headacheville.
And while you doing that, subscribe to our show on the Facebook and the Twitter at the DNL TV, and we're gonna dot your com.
At WilburS85.
Night train.
I'm leaving.
Say goodnight to
Send me pictures.
to this night train out there in Georgia.